a snowy biome! Hey guys, today I'll be showing you all great types of realistic add-ons and mods in Minecraft. Now, let's try this one. It's called the Actions and Stuff add-on. Or it's a mod, I don't know. But it's just a couple mine coins, and it is really cool. Look at the sword animation. Whoa. It goes slash, slash, and sling, slash. That is so cool. Now, do y'all want to get slashed? I'll slash y'all right now. Yeah. Okay, the next one is... Whoa, look at that sun. This is the realistic biomes add-on. And it's making some sort of light all over the ice. Whoa! This is so cool. And it's also snowing. And the wind is actually moving and stuff. Whoa. And I have this settings thing. What can I do with it? So nice. Look at all these items in my hand. Snow, blizzard, aurora, night.
Realistic biome. Time
night.
set tonight.
Whoa. Look at this snow. I kind of want to try the
biomes.
blizzard.
Setting weather to blizzard.
Okay, how do I use it? Maybe if I right-click like this. Whoa! Blizzard! It's so much snow.
Realistic biomes.
It's
clearing
freezing.
weather. Realistic
time
biomes.
for the aurora.
Starting aurora borealis event.
Oh, the sky. It's turning green. Oh, I love auroras, even though I never saw one in real life. Tell me in the comments, have you ever seen an aurora? And also, like and subscribe to my videos. It will really make me happy. Whoa, look at this. It's just like I'm in a movie or something. Whoa. Should I go in it? Okay, I'm going in. Whoa. This is the first time I've ever been in aurora. Whoa. This is the first time I've ever seen one. And this is just a video game. And I'm already so excited to see one in real life. Okay, guys, we're going to have to cut it short. So, I'll see you once I'm done with the aurora. Whoa, look at this sunset.
Realistic biomes.
Now turn it
Time
day.
set today.
The sun
Realistic
is
biomes.
sparkling
It needs to be
on me.
nighttime for an aurora
And you
borealis
can't
to
do
take
the
place.
aurora at day. Okay, guys, the sun is just burning my eyes. And now I'm going to show you guys how to get it. You go on the Minecraft Marketplace, and then you have to type in this. You type for this one that we were doing right now. The one that we're doing right now is called the Realistic Biomes one. So you Google up Realistic Biomes on the Marketplace, and then it should pop up right there. And it's only a couple mine coins. Yeah, and this is how it looks at the bottom. I'm about to show you. This is how it looks. Well, I wish that's how it looked on mine. But I think that's how it was supposed to look. It just didn't look exactly like that. But, yeah, this is how it looks. There's also some realistic lightings that I forgot to show you on the video. But the next one is called the Actions and Stuff. Yeah, that's how you spell it. Okay. This is the Actions and Stuff. It makes you get, like, animated Minecraft and stuff. But I think that's how it got its name. Animated Minecraft and stuff. Actions and stuff. But, yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. Sorry that we're going to have to leave. But don't forget to like and subscribe. And watch more of my videos on Game Like Ayden. Bye, guys.